Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to film this for you guys and show you the installation and our review of the AUXITO LED headlight install on my friend's 2015 F-150. We're gonna get these things installed real quick and show you the difference between your factory headlights and these AUXITOs. AUXITO has proudly became a partner of the channel. I'm gonna have a referral link down in the description. And I've got a 15% off coupon code for you guys. The coupon code is just SnowDrift. I'll put that across the screen here for you guys. So please check out the referral link. And if you want to get yourself a good set of headlights, go ahead, jump in there and get you a set of AUXITOs. So we're going to throw these in and we're going to see what the difference is. All right, you guys, so we've kind of jumped ahead a little bit here on you. It's actually been some time. So this is Brandon from the future coming at you. John loved the low beam lights so much that he actually went on AUXITO's site and bought the high beams for the F-150. So if that tells you how much they enjoyed the low beams, they actually went ahead and got the entire set. They even bought the fog lights from AUXITO as well. So that way everything matches and it's super cohesive. So we're gonna go ahead and throw in the high beams as well. And we're going to show you the comparison between one side with the low and high beams and one side that's factory. Okay, you guys, so we've got the high beam and low beam installed on the passenger side of the truck. So John, if you would, please. And there we have the factory bulbs. And over on this side, we've got the AUXITO high and low beam LED bulbs installed. And the difference is staggering. It's actually ridiculous. So we're gonna go ahead and swap out that side as well. Get rid of the old gear, put in the new stuff. Easy. I wish I could override that. You probably can. Yeah. Oh, God, those are almost brighter than the low beams.
Hey, they're like deadly bright.
That's crazy.
That's why people are bright lighting because of my phones.
Dude, that's nuts. They are so bright.